Alright, and welcome back. This is just going to be another one of those short episodes. I don't know how come this wasn't put up on my channel yet, but it's an unboxing of some Sony headphones. The Sony WF-1000XM3 wireless sound or noise cancelling headphones. A buddy of mine had them at Cisco, and when I was like, hey, could I test them out? Do they work nice? And he's like, yes. I'm really happy with the over-ear headphones that I have, but on days like today where it's like 90 something degrees in the city, wearing over-ear headphones is horrible. It's just so hot. So I went ahead and purchased these to be able to kind of have an easier time traveling. I still use the Surface over-ear headphones for traveling as well. I just kind of bring both. The Surface headphones, I was able to sleep on the plane from New York to Spain with no issue whatsoever, and that's incredible. Like, my ears didn't hurt, they actually felt good. Because it was late fall at the time, it was actually at a nice temperature, so the plane wasn't like super hot, super cold, etc. And it worked out. But when traveling down to my next job, which was in Santa Clara, I didn't like wearing the over-ear headphones, so I just I purchased these guys to go ahead and do that. But I'm babbling now, so let's go ahead and just hop into the unboxing.
Alright, and here we are back. Got a box cutter. Let's go ahead and get right into this. This was something I've been looking at for a while now. These headphones from Sony I've actually used them before. One of my coworkers used to actually have one, so here we go. Oops. Yeah, look good. Admittedly, the box kind of looks cheap. It feels good, but I think it's the shrink wrap that makes it look kind of cheap. So let's go ahead and just bust that open. Yeah, it was totally the shrink wrap, because this now feels so much heavier, as in like thicker. And here we go. Cool. Put that part of the box. Go put that away. And then let's get a little zoom in on there. Tell you how to pair it. Oh, that's nice. And alright, cool. That's magnetized. Yep. Set a nice charging port. Red light to indicate something. Let's see. Download the app to connect. Interesting, so there might actually be more than... Huh, apparently that comes out. Okay. There that goes. Here we are. And USB-C charging cable. And a bunch of different size ear caps, perhaps. So the part that goes into your ear. And then, let's see. looks like your basic instructions. This looks like your quick start guide. Yeah, quick start guide. So 3 hours and 30 minutes apparently to fully charge this bad boy. How to Bluetooth pair it. So cool. Looks good. This guy is your actual reference guide. That'll go into clarity there. Then we have your Google Assistant, or Apple Assistant, I guess it is, Siri. Doesn't matter because I have a Google phone anyway, so that will be better for me. Okay, instructions on how to put it into your ear for the full effectiveness of the noise canceling. It's kind of cool. And then I think this is, yeah, a warranty, limited warranty. Alright, not bad. Go ahead, put all these things back together. So just throw that there for now. But yeah, this is just a quick one. Oops. And there we are, the Sony Bluetooth headphones. Cool, well, until the next video, keeping this short. Peace.